Namaskar friends, my name is Astro Anshul. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you about the thumb of a person. In palmistry, thumb plays a very important role in a person's life. By only looking at a thumb, we can predict a lot of things about a person. Along with, I'll be using numerology. So what happens, why I'm choosing thumb? Because in our day-to-day life, we come across many people. As an employer, you may also hiring people. So by just looking at a thumb, you can tell a lot about them. For which designation that person will suit, what characteristic a person has. So this video will, tell you a lot about it. So let's start. If a person has a small and a thick, shorter and a thick thumb, then that person is very short temper person. That person has a tendency of killing someone too. And if in numerology he has number 1, 9 and 4. For example, if he is born on 19th of July 1984, then he has got 1, 9 and 4 in it. So these things aggravate the negative tendency of shorter thumb people, right? Then the other kind of thumb, which is wherein the second phalange of the thumb is very thin, then these people are very diplomatic people. They have the way to get their work done. They can complete any task given to them by their diplomatic behavior or diplomatic nature. So they are very good in top management. Then there is another kind of thumb wherein the thumb gets bent at the back. The more thumb gets bent, the more the person will be extravagant, and the negative tendency this person has, that he is able to believe that he trusts anyone very easily if his thumb gets bent at the back. Then the other kind of thumb, which is wherein the first phalange of the thumb is large in size, then that person then that person's willpower is very strong. Whatever the task is given to him, he will complete that task. But most of the time they do their own work because they cannot work under somebody for long. They take their own decision. They are good decision makers and they stick to their decision because their willpower is very strong. They are very loyal people. Then another thumb is wherein the first phalange and the second phalange both have the same size. These people are very honest people. They are very trustworthy people. These people have they do not betray anyone. They are very calm people. They are very famous in their family and friends too for their calm behavior, for their good nature. They are very civilized people, you may say. Then there is another kind, which is second phalange is bigger than the first phalange. These kind of people know how to get their work done. Through hook or by crook, they get their work done. Or if their work is not getting done, if they have asked somebody to do it, then they have their own ways to do it. By argument or by getting rude, they get their work done. Then if the third phalange is bigger, then that person has extramarital affair. If the third phalange is bigger than the second phalange, then these people have extramarital affairs other than their wife. Or if it is shorter, then they are like Sattvic people. They don't get along with people very easily. So, and there is another combination of numerology, which is 6 and 7. If 6 and 7 is there, then they would have more extramarital affairs. So guys, this was my observation, which will, I'm sure, help you to understand people around and people whom you are dealing with. And subscribe my channel and do keep watching my videos. If you have any suggestion or you want to take any prediction or Vastu visit, then you may contact me on the numbers which are there in the description box. So thank you people. Have a nice day. Bye bye.